Fire escape engineers here. We're taking a look at this 3-story unit in Shawnee, Ohio. We are here for a few reasons. We're here to make sure the unit has been kept painted and maintained, and also to make sure everything is structurally sound. As we can see, this unit is made of steel, lattice type framework with plate and angle, mixture of riveted and bolted connections. At this time, the unit does not pass due to a number of issues, which we'll explore further. So first, at the top here, we can see a few things. Entrance into the building, no lighting. We can see the platform here at the top is supported by a few knee braces. And here we can see it looks like some work was done to the masonry connection at the top there. Also maybe some new hardware at the bottom. We can see the unit needs painted. It's a pre-1978 unit, so you would need a renovator's license in order to proceed with cleaning and painting. And we can see similar conditions here moving down on the treads and stringers. A little bit of surface corrosion in spots. Overall, not too bad considering the age of the unit, or the estimated age. We can see that it does need cleaned in a few spots. And here at the next knee brace, we can see a little better here that, yeah, a bit of material loss at the top connection, which is concerning, as well as down below. That bolt has backed out a bit and is not tight and flush, which is why this unit does not pass due to structural concerns. And as we work our way down, we can see again similar conditions, some organic material growth on the treads here. Overall connections aren't too bad. Again, we've got some surface corrosion, a bit difficult to see underneath, but doesn't appear to have progressed to internal corrosion in most connections here. We do have a bit of an interesting knee brace bar that was added. It looks like maybe it's original, but regardless, that comes to the outer tread, or the outer stringer rather, in between the knee braces. Here you can see that between the upper braces and this intermediate, got that bar bracing the outer stringer. And then again here at the second platform, the intermediate platform, fair bit of material loss there, which this top connection would be resisting tensile loads. Again, we've got that bolt which is backed out, which will need repairs. Take a look down the bottom of the unit. You can see the railing here is embedded into the masonry wall, which appears to have been repaired and tuck pointed as needed sometime. Again, overall similar conditions. Here we can see square head hardware and the riveted connections along the treads and stringers. Unit needs cleaned. And again, the lower knee brace, a fair bit of material loss with that upper connection. Taking a look underneath, a bit difficult to see with the lighting, but you can see generally still covered in paint, at least inhibiting significant corrosion of the members and connections. And here as we work to the lower platform, similar construction. We get the lattice type framework on the perimeter, the knee brace back into the building. Again, quite a bit of material loss. We can see fairly deep into that joint, maybe missing hardware as well. And here at the end, apparently it's been like this for some time, but the counterweight system for what was likely a cantilevered stair to grade is now gone. We've got this wood railing, which is of a little suspect connection here. Got some tapcons into the building right through the wood. So there we go.
Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability. in lieu of a load test. Life safety issues exist. Emergency repairs required before restoration to make ready for intended use.